Oh my goodness. Doggies everywhere! Doggies everywhere! 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 Princess? Popper? Ellie? Athena? And Coco? And a ball. Yay. Yeah, I know. Shout out to Alex Wasabi and Dietrich. You both my man. Alex, I'm a part of your group. Cuckoo! Cuckoo squad! Cuckoo squad! Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's pretty dope. But I'm a fan of Alex. Let's try to make this video over 50 subscribers. And please let's have one that Alex subscribed to. Yeah. Kyra playing a DS. Super Mario 3D Land. I know. Let's go out front again. Let's go out front. Yeah. Room, porch, grass, front yard. Ooh, my car, bricks, neighbors, my friend over there, right there. Yeah, that's my friend. Angry Bird. Yeah, I know. Pretty dope. Okay. Car. Here's Kyla. Yeah. Probably not. Yeah. Those hats.
Things that they want to see. And you filming that kid,
Yeah.
the dog's kind of boring.
Be quiet. This is my first YouTube video. Okay? Okay. My mom. Sorry if this is boring to you guys, but you know this is my first YouTube channel. I'm sorry. This is my first YouTube video. I'm sorry. You know, that's the Canadian way of saying sorry. Sorry. It's sorry. And now you know. Yeah. Pretty dope. At least. Okay. Speed for time. If I could write it. Okay. What is... Oh, there was a rock, that's why. Ah! Oh my gosh. Let's go in here. Thumbnail time. There we go. Blanket. Let's see what Kyla's playing. Super Mario 3D Land. Coco! Cuckoo! What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Look at all that flush. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. Hee. This the last bench. And as I was saying, I know this is my first YouTube video. Hope it's not that boring, you guys. I hope you like dogs. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I already told you guys, but the first video of like my friend was trying to find ghosts in her apartment. I don't know, you guys, but I'm sorry for that video. But it got 7 views, and I can't believe it because it was so boring. Weird. Okay, yeah. Cool. Yeah. Neighbors. Oh, I want to go show you a Christmas tree. Yeah, our Christmas tree. It was green, but now it's like red-orange. I don't know. Comment down below what color you think this tree is. Oh my gosh. We had this for a year. I didn't even have to pull it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Spider web. Cool. Yeah, I know, you guys. This video isn't on that dope or that good, but whatever. Car. Let's go back inside.
What do they have? Oh, that's their toy.
That's their toy.
Dead animal.
Tug of war. There he's playing tug of war. Hi, Ellie, say hi. Ellie, say hi. Hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa. Yeah. Princess. Hello. Hi. Game room. I know. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end this video. I know this video wasn't super long, but tomorrow it's gonna be longer than this, I promise. So, yeah, I'm doing it in the bathroom. Mirror right there. Yeah, I know. Okay, so you guys, yeah, I'm gonna end this video. So, yeah. So if you guys liked it, forgot to tell you, let's get over 50 subscribers, okay?